Are you falling in love with me?
Yes. 5 taon. 5 years to be exact that I kept Rico and I's relationship a dirty little secret. Hindi ako naghanap. Hindi ako nagreklamo. Tanggap ko nang yun yung buhay ko. Tapos dumating ka. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Sari, hindi mo malalaman ang kulang hanggat may dumating na po pwedeng magpuno.
Hindi ko iiwan si Rico.
Bakit? Ba't di mo siya maiwan?
Just get out of my face.
Is it because of money? Kung pera lang, Sari, may pera din ako.
Excuse me? Nakita mo kung saan ako nakatira? Nakita mo kung saan ako nagtatrabaho? Mukha bang pera lang ang habol ko? What you think of me? Please, money. I am a lover, not a gold digger. I don't give a shit about his wealth, and I don't give a fuck if you got money.
Kung hindi pera, ano? Sex. Yun ba? Kung sasabihin ko sa'yo, oo, titigilan mo ba ako?
No, because I bet you I'm a damn better lover.
Mali ito? This conversation is so wrong.
Mali ito?
At yung ginagawa nyo, yun yung tama?
JD, tama na please.
Utang na loob yun ba? Habang buhay mo babayaran yung pagtitiis, yung baluktot na kabutihan ng matandang yon?
Hindi ko kayang saktan si Rico.
Kaya okay na sa'yo yan. Yung maging gabit ka habang buhay. Or maybe, Sari, you enjoy that. Being some old man's dirty little secret.
Walang babae pinangarap ang maging kabit.
Then get out!
But I love him. And he loves you too.
Mahal ba yun? Tinatago ka? Pinagdadamot ka ng oras mo pag kalahati ka lang? Why can't you give you what you deserve?
Stop it, Jamie. Stop it. Nasasaktan ako.
Putang ina shit! Nasasaktan ka, Sari?
Ang sakit. Parang mo na rin akong pinapoy.
I joke, no other one pala yun. Hindi mo...
Because I bet you I'm better.
I don't give... Wait. I don't give a shit if...